So now, we are already discussed about the loops and its three types. So now let's move on forward to our next topic, which is the array. In programming, an array is a collection of elements that are stored in contiguous memory locations and are of the same data types. Arrays allows programmer to store multiple values under a single variable name, making it easier to manage and access data efficiently. The key features of an array. Fixed size. You decide how many elements an array can hold when you create it. Same data type. All elements must be the same type, numbers, characters, or strings. Index access. Each element is accessed using its index, which starts at 0. And lastly, the efficient storage. When we say efficient storage, since the elements are being stored in consecutive memory locations, it's easy to access, to search, or to manipulate them. So let's try the first example of an array. Int bracket scores equals to 80, 90, 75, 85, and 95. For int I equals to 0, I is less than scores that length, and to increment, which is the I++. So let's run it to the NetBeans if it is correct or not. So let's explain the program of this array. The array declaration, int score is equals to 80, 90, 75, 85, and 95. Here, scores is an array of 5 integers. Each element in the array stores a student's score. The index starts at 0. So score 0 is to 80. Scores 1 is to 90. Score 2 is to 75. And score 3 is to 85. And score 4 is for 95. Using a for loop, for int is I equals to 0, I less than 5, and I++, sets up a loop that starts from the index 0 and goes up to 4. I++ increases the index by 1 after each iteration. This allows the program to access each element of an array one by one. This allows the program to access each element of the array one by one. Printing the array elements. Printf score percent of d over n. I+1 scores. Print each score with its corresponding number. I+1 is used to display the score number starting from 1 instead of 0. Scores retrieve the value stored in the array at index I. So let's try another example for you to be able to be more expert to array. The char letters equals to A, to B, C, D, and E. So we have the 5 letters which represent the char. For int I equals to 0, less than letters that length, and the increment or decrement, the I++. So let's run it to NetBeans. So let's explain more about the program of an array. So, this creates an array of characters containing the 5 letters, which is the A, the B, C, D, and E. The char means it's an array of characters. For int I equals to 0, I is less than letters length and I plus plus. This loop goes through each index of the array from 0 to letters that length and to 1, here 0 to 4. I is the index used to access each element of the array. System out printf %c and %n to letters I. The %c, it prints a single character, while the %n adds a new line after each character, so the output is vertical. The letters I assess the letter at the current index. So that is about an array. So I hope that you will gain new knowledge or new background about this topic, which is the loops and array. So that's all for this discussion, and let's see if you learned about it.